In core data governance scenarios, Astro coordinates multiple types of agents to build a closed loop from data understanding to governance execution. The Data Standardization Agent integrates data classification rules, field characteristics, and a knowledge base matching mechanism built on industry best practices. Powered by the knowledge base and large language models, it recommends foundational data standards with high precision and completes the implementation of data standards. Select Data Standardization Agent. Click Metadata Selection. Enter the prompt, map the data in the table to the corresponding standards. Then click Send. The Data Standardization Agent will start running and display the execution process on the right side of the page. Data Standardization Agent supports online viewing of execution results. Users can also directly modify the data in the Excel file. The Data Standardization Agent supports online result review. Users can view the recommended standard mappings directly on the page and make edits in the Excel file when needed. Any changes will only take effect after the user clicks Save. Users can also click Download to save the result file to their local device. Results that have been manually confirmed as correct can be imported into the knowledge base with one click. The Data Standardization Agent also supports sending results to TDS users through a work order. Users can select a recipient and submit the request. The system will automatically generate a work order and deliver it to the recipient's workspace. Click Push to TDS to select a push method. There are 3 options, and the third option, Push Standards, create a task, and execute the task includes the outcomes of the first 2 options and further triggers task execution. After the push is completed, users can view the execution status in the result list. After clicking Go to TDS, users will be redirected to TDS to view the details of the corresponding standard implementation check task. On the Task Details page, users can view the foundational standards associated with each field. By clicking an associated standard, users can further view the standard details and its related metadata. To check the task execution status, users can also click Go to Operations in the upper right corner of the Task Details page. The system will then redirect users to the TDS Operations page, where they can view the execution results of the standard implementation check task.